The reading for 2nd of April 2021. It's a Good Friday today, and look at what the card has already jumped out. And the card is that of Moses telling us, take charge of the situation. What is it that you're procrastinating about? Don't keep thinking, because overthinking is stinking. So go ahead, take charge of the situation, whatever decisions you want to make, whatever path you want to walk. The angels, the guardian angels, the masters, the spirit guides are all here. Seek their help. They will be there with you, holding your hand to walk the path you're meant to. Whatever you're procrastinating about, it's time to get done and over with. Get out of that circle and take charge of the situation. Go ahead, take that action. What it is that your intuition is telling, don't rely on others, but see what your intuition is guiding you towards. Take that action, go ahead. I'm sure it will be only for your highest good, because if it isn't, they will not let you take that. So go ahead, don't think about whether it will be right or wrong, whether it will be good or bad. There is no such thing. Every situation has a different perspective, and every person has a different perspective. So what works for you works for you. Go ahead and do that, take that action. If it is for your highest good, it will be the success that you want it to be. So be the creator, be the magic. You have that power. Go ahead, co-create with the universe, co-create with the creator of this universe, and go make that decision. It is time for you to take that decision. That's what they are saying. And let's see what the guardian angels have to guide us for the day. What is the card that comes out and brings us peace and joy? This is the card of connections. The Archangel Raphael is telling us there is green all over. So it is definitely connecting with your higher self. It is connecting with yourself first and seeing what healings need to be done in your own personal life. Archangel Raphael is right here sending you those healing energies, knowing that whatever is stagnant in your life, only you can bring in that ripple effect. Only you can take action. When you take charge of the situation and take action, things will move. Get out of that stagnant procrastination. Get out of whatever you feel you are stuck in, because you're not. If you move, you will unstuck all that energy. So go ahead and make connections with your own self, with people around you. Go ahead and dig into your diary and see if there are any friends, anyone from your work scenario who may be of help to you, who may be still there for you if you need any kind of guidance. So go ahead, make that connect. Are you procrastinating also about whom you want to talk to or whom you want to connect with? Maybe just go ahead and make that phone call, write that email, write that message. Go ahead, make that choice. This is what the card is, so much in synchronicity. Do you see the blues and the greens in both these cards? It is all about movement, it is all about communication, it is all about taking charge of your own situation and healing whatever the situation is. It is all about going ahead, moving forward, and healing that situation and healing yourself. That's the message that's just come across as a synchronicity with these two cards. So on that note, I leave you to having a beautiful Friday. May it bring in joy, may it bring in ease, and may it bring in magic for you, because you are the magic. So go ahead and create that magic, and I shall see you soon. Have a lovely weekend.